Ready to unlock a powerful income stream by promoting an AI tool that literally creates killer ads for you? Let's dive into crushing the ADCREATIVE.AI affiliate program. First up, content creation is your superpower. Think blog posts, video reviews, or even helpful tutorials demonstrating ADCREATIVE.AI's magic focus on highlighting the pain points it solves for businesses' time savings, increased conversions, and effortless ad design. For your blog, create in-depth articles cover topics like how ADCREATIVE.AI revolutionized my ad spend or top 5 AI tools for small business marketing, naturally weaving your affiliate link, making it clear and easy for readers to click and sign up. On YouTube, a video review is gold. Show the platform in action. Walk viewers through creating an ad, explain the benefits, and share your personal experience. A clear call to action directing them to your affiliate link in the description is crucial. Now, let's blast this across social media. Tailor your content to each platform. On LinkedIn, share success stories and business benefits. On Instagram, post eye-catching visuals created by ADCREATIVE.AI with a link in your bio. For Twitter, share quick tips and direct engagement. Email marketing is your secret weapon. Build an email list and send out valuable newsletters. Include case studies, special offers related to ADCREATIVE.AI, and a direct affiliate link. Personalize your emails to build trust and encourage sign-ups. For a serious boost, consider paid advertising. Target businesses actively searching for ad creation tools. Run campaigns on Google Ads or Facebook Ads, directing traffic to a dedicated landing page showcasing ADCREATIVE.AI with your affiliate link prominently displayed. Remember to track your results, monitor which strategies are driving the most sign-ups, and adjust your approach accordingly. By consistently providing value and showcasing the power of AI-driven creatives, you'll be maximizing your referral potential and earning those sweet ADCREATIVE.AI commissions in no time.